Turn these on, Petey.
Well, just out of sheer curiosity, you know what happened to the 20th century?
The transmitter died. Yeah, we got to program a new one. I should have done that last night, dang it.
Oh, it's fine. I mean, 5 of them. Yeah, still.
Everybody's about to film.
I really don't want to go up in that ceiling.
Two-speed fan. This is two-speed fan. That one doesn't work anymore. Because the motor is touching the blades are touching the motor. Well, that's why it's bright.
But maybe not.
Stop this now. No, I want you to keep it on medium. Medium's the best speed. Film with some vlogs.
All the damn fans are down except for the Palisade and the stereo stuff.
Stop this now. Stop this now. Stop this now. Won't stop. This is the motor. Stop this now. There we go. Stop. Stop. Won't stop.
It's like, holy crap, it's such a mess. Like,
Stop this now. I said.
Mainly because, kids will just put it back wherever the hell they want.
yeah. Also,
What? Probably not everybody.
to be keeping all lights on. It's on here.
called the Trump One fan. This is the ERS that belongs to that thing.
That's the one with the Marlins. Somebody had one of those for sale. It was 277 volt only.
Quick, turn on high speed.
So much fun at Fanimation. I literally town. We're on the fiction drive. I think it's that one. That's the new town. I'm gonna get a closer. So sad. I'm so tired of that. I'm so tired hearing that beeping noise. I'm tired of hearing that beeping. Oh, that I turned on the gray one. We'll stop.
Yeah, I don't even believe it. 5 microphone bastards. And 6.
9.
Well, 9 wouldn't work as better.
I got a tripod. Got a tripod.
I almost find a Beverly Hills thing I had. It's horrible. Well, actually, yeah, well, I put a 6 in it instead of the original 4. And after about 3 hours of running,
My Polaris GE.
Ew.
I thought that was
I think I'll see you next welcome video. Put that. I'm gonna put the red thing on video. I'm filming at the same. Look at that Delta thing that's on. No, keep those on so they can win. Huh? Keep those on so they can win that white fan. But it's already spinning. Oh! I got cut. Why is it not turning on? I already turned this thing on. It's a 2-speed fan. I'm wondering where this thing. It says stroke. Oh, I turned that one on. I can turn that one on. Look, I have the remote. I have the remote. Wait. No, this is the remote I have. No, this is the remote I have. So this, do you see that big fan? What is it? Am I famous? Who's calling you for chewing bubblegum like? You. I think I'm. gonna try to film the Sonic.
Yeah, so he
remembers things like
Yeah.
when he was 2 years old.
Yep. And so yeah.
Well, also like
Holy crap.
the memorization is ridiculous.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, why is this not
Some of the gifted children on YouTube, they know all the things. And they're like 4 years old.
Wait, we should turn on the box fan. What box fan? Box fan, ceiling fan. We'll have to find out. What about this 20th century New Orleans? Oh, that thing. This is 20th century. I'm gonna try to turn on that thing. Wait, give me an air channel. Look at that. This is the ERS. That's the ERS introduction. Look, I got the ERS. That ERS.
Okay, what is that thing on?
No, and no, that the industrial.
Chrome one is going bonkers.
No, it's actually the industrial. It's the ERS.
Check out.
Holy crap! This is the area for fans.
Where's the box?
Guys, this is ceiling fan space. Hi. I'm turning every single fan in this video. The Edison Toastmaster? Bro, look at the Edison. Look at it's going in on it. Look at the Edison Toastmaster. It's wobbling so bad. Look at the Edison Toastmaster. I know, I already saw it. Holy crap, this is the ceiling fan
The
thing.
Enigma is going bonkers, but not wobbling.
Guys, turn every single fan off in this area.
The Enigma is just going bonkers, bro.
I'm turning every single fan off in this area. I don't know how to turn off the. Oh, Edison Toastmaster. Turn everything on high.
There.
High.
Is the Enigma on high?
No, I turned it off.
I like the Enigma on.
Me too.
Just turn it on.
Turn off the light. Turn off the light.
There is no light on here.
Yeah, watch. Look at the light. Watch. Look, watch the Enigma. Look, I gotta press light in 3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm sorry. You dumb. I gotta turn on the Edison Toastmaster. Edison Toastmaster. Edison Toastmaster. Where's the Edison Toastmaster? Oh. Edison Toastmaster on.
I turned off the Big Bertha Canvas one. The canvas one has no.
Guys, I'm turning every single fan off in this.
I'm gonna.
Go. Go.
There's so many ceiling fans here. There's so many ceiling fans here. Look at this aisle. Every single fan in this aisle is on high. Don't turn them off.
In about October, we'll be able to do this. At 5? Teach at 5.
And Mo's about to turn everything on.
I'm a teacher with little, so when they go to the bookcase, it's just piles of books. So I have like the easiest readers.
But it sounds like an AC here.
Just need glass.
Holy shit.
Andrew brought his, so we can replace it just for the glass.
Every single fan on here is in
This is
high.
cool, it's Arctic air through the wall.
Only chance for those.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if it's on.
That's actually cool. A lot of times.
Stop turning it off.
You'll want to know what's going on.
Give me that. Give me that.
Just perpetual
Give me it,
screaming.
please. I'm your friend.
Thoughts of fighting.
I really, really liked how that demo turned out.
I know, that turned out great.
Fine, you can have it.
Fair, they'll say take it.
That does look like a cake.
Bro, where's the remote for that?
Could be a color.
Yeah, the little gold.
Yes,
I mean,
I think you're right.
a much needed replacement.
Yes, but actually, it was involved in last week because I could 60 watts. We were doing 30 so I went to an argument for 45 watts.
Oh, look at the fucking thing he has there. That's dim. That's dim. Zach lighting.
Oh, yeah. Well, the eye, this is the eye. This thing is yeah. Very good.
That is good.
That's good.
I know you're doing. Where's the remote you just had?
Ridiculous that thing is.
You have to put it back where it was.
Okay.
I know.
That is a cool. Yeah, that is like a pigeon.
It's so windy back here. It's so windy back there that like. I think this is like a one. You supposed to put it back where it was. No, really did. Give me. I'll put it where it was. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Just follow me. I'll show you where it was.
No, that's staying.
I know. I'm saying if you didn't specify.
No. So, okay, I'm done.